The Bureau of Animal Industry reports a slight increase in rabies cases in the country in 2014. This despite a drop in such incidents during the 10-year period from 2005. More from Ria Fernandez.
Mostly feared among dogs is their bite, especially when they are rabid. But experts still consider vaccination as the most powerful shield against rabies. This Rabies Awareness Month, the Bureau of Animal Industry, or BAI, reminds once again the dog owners to vaccinate their pooches. The government targets not only to decrease the cases of rabies in the Philippines, but also to fully eradicate it come 2016.
Talagang kailangan pagtulong-tulungan natin para ma-eradicate o ma-eliminate ang rabies sa Pilipinas. Kaya itong labanan. So kung mabakunahan at least ang target po namin sa pinakaikling panahon, mabakunahan ng 70% ng dog population.
Every year, rabies cases average to 200. Although it slid down in the past 10 years, it slightly rose in 2014. Because of this, veterinarian Dr. Emelinda Lopez says the government adopted more intensive strategy in addressing the dreaded viral disease.
We are now following the ASEAN strategy, which is 1 month focused vaccination within one area at a time. This will need a lot of resources at tinutulungan kami ng Department of Health and the procurement of vaccines sa World Health Organization.
They also continue their conduct of mass vaccination in collaboration with the local governments and the private sector. Plus, they have strengthened their information dissemination. An example of it is their use of the music video produced by VetMed students of the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Patterned after a famous Korean pop song, the music video All the Rabies Gone tackles all facts about rabies and how it can be prevented. But Dr. Lopez has stressed that aside from vaccination, responsible pet ownership is very important too to curb the spread of the virus.
Kasama sa pag-iwas ng rabies ay pag-alaga, pagkalinga ng mga aso, tamang pagkain, may bubong sila, kalinga at mga grooming. Importante rin sa kanila yon.
In case your pet dog suddenly changes behavior like being paranoid, irritable, and hydrophobic, immediately report this to the nearest veterinarian. Meanwhile, if a suspected rabid dog bit you, make sure to thoroughly clean the wound with an iodine thereafter and seek for medical help. For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.